Mama, look at the tunnel, please.
Chiku, that tunnel is too small. Mama won't fit in it. But Shrek can go.
No, Mama need to go.
Mom, the tunnel is too small. Mama is too big.
Mama, it's really good.
We won't fit in the tunnel. Only Shrek can fit in the. And where is the rat go? Where did that rat go? Oh, there's one right here.
And here.
And one right here. There was one running here. Where did he go? I don't know. I'm right here, beta. Where is the big spider? Where did the big spider go? No?